Now let's study the types of an AP. There are two types of AP. One is finite and the other is infinite. As the name suggests, a finite AP would be something that will have a limited number of terms. That is, it will end somewhere. As an example, consider this: 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14. Now this AP has first term 2 and a common difference of 3. But this AP ends after 5 terms. I do not have any term after 14. On the other hand, an infinite AP would be a series which will consist of an infinite number of terms. For example, if I consider the same series as earlier, that is the first term is 2 and the common difference is 3, I will take this AP to infinity, that is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on. Now my AP doesn't end at 14, but it goes on till infinite number of terms. Now try to solve a question. Consider a situation where there are 1,000 students present in an auditorium to witness an event. When the event gets over, these students leave the auditorium for their classes and each student goes in his or her own class. Each class has 25 students and assume that there were 100% students present on that day to witness the event. Now whenever a class leaves, there will be some number of students left in the auditorium. You have to write the number of students left in the auditorium as each class leaves. Write this up to 6 terms and then find out whether these terms form an AP or not. Now let's try to understand this problem. So the number of students present initially in the auditorium were 1,000. After the first class leaves, the number of students left in the auditorium will be simply 1,000 minus 25, which is 975. Because 25 is the number of students in every class. As the next class leaves, again I will have to reduce 25 students. That means I will have left 975 minus 25, which is 950. If you observe this carefully, this will create a situation of an AP. Because in every term I am reducing it by 25 or I am adding minus 25 to every term to get the next term. So this does form an AP and the first 6 terms of my AP would be 1,000, 975, 950, 925, 900, 875, where 1,000 is the first term and D, which is the common difference, is minus 25.